We begin tonight in Newport News, where that civil lawsuit trial involving former teacher Abigail Zwerner is entering its second week.
As we've reported, Zwerner was shot by her 6-year-old student at Richneck Elementary more than 2 years ago, and she's suing the former assistant principal, Dr. Ebony Parker, for $40 million. News 3 reporter Kelsey Jones joins us now after spending the day in court.
All right, Kelsey, some key developments today as this trial is moving along.
Yeah, Kurt, Jessica, this trial is winding down in the $40 million lawsuit involving Abby Zwerner against former Richneck assistant principal Ebony Parker. As you mentioned earlier, today, defense's key witnesses took the stand, and Parker's legal team officially rested their case in front of a jury. Mind you, Zwerner's legal team officially rested their case Thursday. This all stems from January 6th of 2023, when Abby Zwerner was shot by her 6-year-old student in her classroom at Richneck Elementary. Parker's attorneys brought forward 2 key witnesses, a forensic and clinical psychologist and a defense school safety expert. With the trial expected to wrap Thursday, today the defense focused on working to prove Parker's alleged innocence and how discipline is the initial responsibility of the teacher, not an administrator. This comes after several Richneck staff members took the stand last week and said they reported a child possibly having a gun to Parker. Zwerner's attorneys pressed their witnesses today about the risk of a child having a gun and how, in this case, they argue Parker is responsible for ignoring warnings that the child had a gun. Yet Dr. Amy Klinger, a school safety expert, stressed on the stand that no one is the sole person for school safety and everyone has a role and responsibility. Take a listen.
I think the actions of everyone involved indicate that they were doing an analysis, but yet that they did not perceive this to be a plausible, imminent threat, both the behaviors as well as the actions, because it is a 6-year-old having access to a weapon and bringing it to school, and it is largely unthinkable.
Now, Kurt, Jessica, closing arguments are expected Wednesday. Once this civil trial concludes, Parker is facing a criminal trial connected to the shooting, where she faces multiple counts of felony child abuse. I'll be back here Thursday, since tomorrow is Election Day and the courts will be closed. Live in Newport News, I'm Kelsey Jones, WTKR News 3.